The OnePlus 7 already begins to get some additional design confirmation thanks to case makers. The next generation Apple Watch is rumored to have even more power-efficient internals, and it seems that Facebook was once again spotted not handling your secure data the way it should. I'm Jaime Rivera, and honestly, I wonder exactly how many strikes does Facebook need to just call it quits or something. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals, and B&H just continues to stride here with iPads. Those of you in the market, last generation iPads are currently up to $480 off, depending on the variant that you're looking for. I do recommend last year's models, actually, so you can learn more about them in the description. Now let's talk about Microsoft, as we've got some changes to the Surface Book 2 lineup. I love how this company is able to launch products with last year's I/O or last year's processors. Now we finally get the 8th generation core, whatever processors on the Surface Book 2, and depending on the variant, prices range from $1,500 and above. You can max them out fully. It's just, for those of you in the market for the Surface Book 2, you can learn more in the description as well. Now let's talk about Facebook, as, my God, I wonder what this company is looking for next. I mean, 540 million archives of Facebook data were just discovered in Amazon servers, where we've got 22,000 passwords just available, in addition to photos and different information from customers. We don't exactly know why this was discovered. All I know is that there's a reason why I uninstalled Facebook from my phones. I only use it whenever I need to browse for it on a computer, which is rarely. And I wish that there was something better out there. Now let's talk about the Apple Watch Series 5, as we've got Ming-Chi Kuo already making predictions that Japan Display is going to be in charge of making the panels for the next generation Apple Watch. And the reason why is because they've come up with this new technology that's more power efficient, slimmer, and doesn't compromise on the quality of the Apple Watch. And I think that's going to be great because, honestly, battery life on Series 4 wasn't great in my opinion, so that would be a good addition. Let's see what we get in the end. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 7, as we've seen renders, we've seen videos, but once case makers start building stuff for this thing, that's pretty much when we know that this is the way this phone is going to look. And so we've got some case renders. We see the cutout at the top for that, pop-up camera. We see the cutout for the slider mechanism on the left. Everything that we're to expect from a OnePlus 7. We see the triple camera right at the back. That's all great. But then there's this cutout at the bottom that I find rather interesting because, usually we don't get cutouts for SIM tray ejectors. So what is the cutout for? Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think it's for, and what do you think about this probable final design of the OnePlus 7? Do you like it or not? Because in my case, I have no clue what the cutout is for, and I actually like what I see in this design. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.